I'm putting this Tideway high-speed hair dryer to the test. I just got out of the shower. It is 8:45, so I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair. It says it takes 5 to 8 minutes, and traditional hair dryers take 10 to 20 minutes, so I'll test it out and let you know. It is 8:50 and my hair is completely dry, super shiny. Usually my hair after I blow dry it, it is really big and poofy and frizzy, and I really like how shiny this is, and it almost is good to just go about the day as is. Click the link below.